Model, 57 plate Ford Transit 2.4 TDCi 140PS 350 nice camper conversion MOT failure cheap repairs no welding needed partying face. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 233,455. Engine, 2,401 cc TDCi 140PS DURATORQ-O. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, unfortunately the rear diff is whining. It still drives fine, just gets very noisy after 40 miles per hour. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows, 2 keys, air con. This is an MOT failure mainly on ball joints and bushes. No welding needed, no solid transit, easy repairs for someone, grin. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.